Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to explain to you what is template exactly on a Google Sheet. So actually templates is a form or a format of a documents that already provided or made by the application itself. So for Google Sheets, they also have a templates that you can use or you can apply into your document just related into what you need. Okay, so how to use or how to add a template into your Google Sheets documents? It's just by go open the Google Sheets. So here I already have the Google Sheets open on my phone, and after that you just need to go click plus. There will be have two options here. There will be a choose template or new spreadsheet. So if you click a new spreadsheet, means that you will create a new documents with a blank documents on it, so there will be no format. It's just like a column and rows, and you can like create anything by your own. But if you choose a template, you will be generated into like several templates that provide by the Google Sheets. If you want to do if you want to create a to-do list, the Google Sheets already provide to you the template, so you can like choose or use it directly. There will be also have a monthly budget, Google Finance investment tracker, a schedule, and annual calendar. You just need to like scrolling down to find out what template that you need here. Okay, so let's do with a to-do list first. So since we want to make a to-do list, you just need to click a to-do list template. Okay, by click it, hold on until you generate it into the documents. So here you already have a new documents with the to-do list template that provide by the Google Sheets. Okay, hold on. Okay, so for the next thing you have to do is just go change this. For example, you just need to click the cells, and after that delete it by click the cells and click clear, click the cells twice, click clear, and unchecked the box. Just need to go click clear everything here, and you can like just change this and fill it with your information. For example, for the date, I want to do it tomorrow, or yeah, let's just several dates. Let's say it's 26/10. Okay, and then for the task is just go click it, add an information, do the work. Okay, and after that you just need to do the same, copy it, do the next, paste, and do another task with do an online meeting. Okay, and do the some like shopping. Okay, so for tomorrow or the specific dates here, and you already done the tasks, you just need to check into the box, means that you already finished the task. So that's all the way how to use a template on the Google Sheets. So if you find out this tutorial is get you so well today, please leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.